Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain JOOM app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the app review about JOOM. So to get started, the JOOM app is known for offering super low price on a wide range of products from fashion to electronics, often with a free international shipping. The app has a clean interface, real-time order tracking, and a built-in customer chat support. It's especially popular among budget shoppers looking for deals similar to Wish or AliExpress. That said, product quality can be inconsistent and some users experience long shipping time or item not matching the pictures. Still, if you're looking or willing to wait and take a chance on a low-cost items, the JOOM app is worth it for casual bargain. For casual bargain shopping, just keep expectation realistic. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.